Hello, everyone. Today we will be discussing 12 foods that you should avoid to protect your colon health. The colon is one of the most important organs in our digestive system, and keeping it healthy is crucial for our overall well-being. In this video, we will examine in detail why each food is harmful, the consumption amount, and alternative food suggestions. We will also share other important steps you can take to protect your colon health. In addition, we will strengthen our information by providing examples from scientific research and medical studies. Red meat, especially processed red meat, contains carcinogens called nitrites and nitrates. These substances can be converted into nitrosamines in the intestines, increasing the risk of colon cancer. Red meat is high in saturated fat. Saturated fats can increase cholesterol levels, leading to heart disease. Red meat contains high amounts of heme-iron. Excess heme-iron can accumulate in the body, leading to oxidative stress and increasing the risk of cancer. The World Health Organization recommends that adults consume no more than 500 grams of processed red meat per week. It is important to reduce red meat consumption to 3 to 4 servings per week and make sure each serving is no more than 80–100 grams. Fish, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, helps protect heart and vascular health. Salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel can be preferred. White meat is lower in fat and higher in protein than red meat. Chicken breast, turkey meat, and turkey breast can be preferred. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, beans, and lentils are rich in fiber and protein. They can be used in salads or as main meals instead of red meat. Nuts such as walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and peanuts are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Processed meats are high in sodium. Consuming too much sodium can lead to health problems such as high blood pressure and heart disease. It is best to avoid processed meat consumption as much as possible. Do not consume more than 1 or 2 servings of processed meat per week. Homemade meatballs made with lean meats and herbs are a healthier alternative to processed meats. Grilling lean chicken or fish is a healthy and delicious meal option. Sandwiches made with whole grain bread, lean protein, and vegetables are both satisfying and healthy. Smoothies made with fruits, vegetables, and yogurt are a nutritious and delicious snack option. The American Heart Association recommends limiting processed meat intake as part of a heart-healthy diet. White bread and white flour products are low in fiber. Fiber is necessary for the proper functioning of the digestive system and helps prevent constipation. Constipation is a factor that increases the risk of colon cancer. White bread and white flour products can cause blood sugar to spike rapidly, increasing the risk of diabetes. White bread and white flour products contain gluten. In people with celiac disease, gluten consumption can lead to irritation and inflammation in the intestines. It is important to limit the consumption of white bread and white flour products. Whenever possible, choose fiber-rich options like whole wheat bread, whole grain pasta, and bulgur. Whole wheat bread is rich in fiber and helps the digestive system function more healthily. Whole grain pasta is rich in fiber and protein. It is a healthier alternative to white pasta. Bulgur is a grain rich in fiber and protein. It can be used in salads, soups, or as a main course. Oatmeal is a food rich in fiber, protein, and beta-glucan. It can be consumed for breakfast or as a snack. Quinoa is a food rich in protein and fiber. It is an ideal alternative for vegans and vegetarians. Brown rice is higher in fiber and nutritional value than white rice. Celiac Disease Foundation. This organization highlights that gluten consumption in celiac patients can lead to irritation and inflammation in the intestines. Fast food consists of oily and fried foods. These foods strain the digestive system and increase the risk of colon cancer. Fast food is high in sugar content. Consuming too much sugar can lead to health problems such as obesity and diabetes. Fast food is high in sodium content. Consuming too much sodium can lead to health problems such as high blood pressure and heart disease. Fast food is rich in additives. These additives can lead to various health problems in the long term. It is best to completely avoid fast food. Take some time to prepare healthy and delicious alternatives. Salads made with fresh vegetables and fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Grilling lean chicken or fish is a healthy and delicious meal option. American Institute for Cancer Research. This organization suggests a link between fast food consumption and an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Sugary drinks contain artificial sweeteners such as aspartame and sucralose. Artificial sweeteners disrupt the intestinal flora and cause digestive problems. Sugary drinks are high in fructose content. Consuming too much fructose can lead to health problems such as fatty liver disease and obesity. Sugary drinks can increase stomach acid, leading to digestive problems such as reflux and gastritis. It is best to completely avoid sugary drinks. Choose healthy beverages like water, herbal tea, and mineral water. Water is necessary for the proper functioning of the digestive system. It is important to drink at least 2 liters of water per day. Herbal teas such as chamomile, lime blossom, and peppermint aid digestion and reduce stress. Mineral water is rich in minerals and can aid digestion. A study suggests that artificial sweeteners may disrupt gut flora and increase the risk of cancer. Alcohol contains a carcinogenic substance called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde can damage DNA, increasing the risk of colon cancer. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to inflammation in the intestines. Alcohol increases stomach acid, causing digestive problems such as reflux and gastritis. It is best to limit alcohol consumption or quit entirely. Adult males are recommended to consume no more than 2 drinks per day, and adult females no more than 1 drink per day. It will be to your benefit to quit alcohol and choose alternative drinks, like herbal teas and non-alcoholic drinks. World Cancer Research Fund states that alcohol consumption increases the risk of colon cancer. Saturated fats and trans fats are rich in cholesterol. Fatty foods can strain the digestive system and lead to constipation. When these fats are consumed frequently, the risk of developing cholesterol, fatty liver, and cardiovascular diseases increases much more. We should set limits on fatty foods. Instead of consuming it every day, it can be consumed no more than 1 to 2 times a week. Lean meats, poultry, fish, legumes, and tofu are good alternatives to fatty foods. Low-fat yogurt, milk, and cheese can be consumed in moderation. Include healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocados, and nuts in your diet. Fruits and vegetables are low in fat and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The FDA has banned the use of partially hydrogenated oils, the main source of trans fats, in processed foods. Deep-fried foods absorb a lot of oil during cooking, becoming high-fat foods. Acrylamide and other carcinogenic substances can form during deep frying. These substances can increase the risk of cancer. Deep-fried foods are oily and heavy. They strain the digestive system and can lead to constipation. Foods cooked in deep fat should be avoided, and healthier alternatives should be preferred. Baking is a healthy and fat-free cooking method. Grilling is an ideal method for cooking lean meats and vegetables. Boiling is a healthy method for cooking vegetables and some types of meat. Steaming is an ideal method for preserving the nutrients in food. Processed foods are generally low in fiber. Fiber is essential for proper digestive system function and helps prevent constipation, a risk factor for colon cancer. Processed foods are often loaded with additives, preservatives, and artificial colors. These additives can potentially lead to various health problems in the long term. Processed foods are typically high in sodium. Excessive sodium intake contributes to health problems such as high blood pressure and heart disease. Processed foods containing additives such as monosodium glutamate should be avoided, and instead, fresher and nutritionally healthier foods should be consumed. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can disrupt gut flora, potentially leading to digestive problems. Artificial sweeteners increase appetite and desire, causing weight gain. Artificial sweeteners may interfere with metabolism, potentially hindering weight management efforts. It is best to limit or avoid artificial sweeteners altogether. Opt for natural sweeteners like fruits or honey in moderation. Fruits provide natural sweetness and are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Stevia is a plant-based sweetener with a negligible effect on blood sugar. Artificial sweeteners disrupt the intestinal flora. Certain mushroom varieties contain chitin, a substance that the human digestive system cannot break down. This can lead to digestive problems in some individuals. Some wild mushrooms can contain toxins that cause poisoning if consumed. Consult your doctor before consuming mushrooms, especially wild varieties. Only purchase mushrooms from trusted sources. Ensure mushrooms are cooked thoroughly before consumption. For those who do not want to consume mushrooms, meat, fish, nuts, and seeds can be recommended. Correct identification and safe consumption of wild mushrooms is very important to prevent toxin poisoning. Spicy foods can irritate sensitive digestive systems, potentially triggering irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Spicy foods can increase stomach acid production, leading to digestive problems like reflux and gastritis in some individuals. Limit spicy food consumption if you have a sensitive stomach. Avoid spicy foods altogether if you experience IBS symptoms. Herbs and spices like oregano, mint, basil, and rosemary can add flavor without the heat. Lemon and vinegar can add a tangy flavor to dishes without the spiciness. Important steps for protecting your colon health. Aim for at least 2 liters of water per day to keep your digestive system functioning properly. Regular exercise promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Stress can negatively affect your digestive system. Practice stress reduction techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health, including your digestive system. Alcohol and smoking damage your digestive system and increase the risk of colon cancer. Regular checkups with your doctor allow for early detection of colon cancer and other health concerns. Maintaining colon health is crucial for your overall well-being. By avoiding the foods mentioned in this video and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can significantly reduce your risk of colon cancer and other digestive problems. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's enjoy a healthy lifestyle together. Thank you for watching.